Cyber insurance is insurance that basically makes sure in the event of a cyber attack, your organization is covered, any losses that might come along with that. Whether that be ransomware, you're hit with that, your systems are encrypted, your business is down, you're losing money. It's just a way to make sure that you're covered in the event that happens. And it's important to have, obviously, because these types of attacks have been on the rise in recent years, and it's just important to make sure that you have all your bases covered. When it comes to cyber insurance applications, they are becoming more and more difficult, especially over the course of the last year. They're requiring organizations to have different software, different antivirus solutions that, you need in order to meet the requirements to actually be eligible for the cyber insurance. And we find that a lot of these companies don't meet the requirements at the moment, and that's, raising the rates of the insurance. So it's very important to meet the requirements before applying for the cyber insurance to save yourself the hassle down the road. So while cyber insurance upfront may seem like a hefty expense, the ramifications of not having it in the event of like a ransomware attack or your business goes down and you lose access to your systems could be in the millions depending on, the level of severity of the attack. So while it may seem steep up front, you're really preparing for a worst case scenario, and it's better to have it than to not to have it. It's important when you're applying for cyber insurance to get a trusted IT professional involved, just because a lot of the questions can be very technical in nature, going into detail about a lot of systems that you may work in daily, but you don't know how they operate behind the scenes. There's a lot of compliance aspects to it, so it's very important to talk to an IT professional who is familiar with your network and your systems to ensure that you're answering all those questions on the questionnaire properly.